In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Continue, select the gray switcher next to Allow Permission, and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Following that, hit Clean and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Then hit Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!